Hello, Bronwyn Lund here from BronHolm Tours. I'm on the island of Bornholm and I make 360 video walking tours for people who either can't get to the island or can't get around the island. And today we're filming at the butterfly house. So I hope you enjoy the tour. The butterfly house not only includes the butterfly house, which is the greenhouse directly in front of us, it also includes some lovely gardens and a great wooden playground for children to play on. So before we actually go into the butterfly house, we're just going to take a walk around the gardens and just enjoy the beautiful surroundings of the park. It's a really nice place to have a picnic. Obviously this is a really great place for kids. Place for kids. They can come and pat the rabbits and cuddle them and have a look at the chickens. So we're just about to go past that area now, and you can see the owner and manager of the butterfly park and his employees. They're actually putting fish in the pond today, so that's what they're up to over to the left here. And so this is the rabbit enclosure, and we'll just go and have a close-up of the rabbits. They're very cute and very cuddly. And over here we have the chicken coop with chickens, different chicken species from all over the world. And now we'll actually just head into the butterfly greenhouse itself, and it's quite interesting because, as you've seen on all my other walks, it's a very particular type of environment here on the island, but when we go into the greenhouse it's actually very tropical. I just wanted to pause in here for a minute because this is the cafeteria attached to the butterfly house, and point out the absolutely amazing grapevine that's above and around us. And it actually starts over to the left. You can see the massive trunk, and it's just an absolutely enormous grapevine, and you can actually try the grapes from the grapevine for free. They have free tasting of them when you come along to the butterfly park. So that's something a bit different. Now we've got a double door system here, so we have to close this door before we can go into the next section of the butterfly park, because we don't want any butterflies to escape. And sometimes the butterflies actually do escape and end up in the middle of the entrance there. And my children are always fascinated by the butterflies being caught by the staff and put back in this section. So it's very warm in here and it's very tropical, and it's actually just like coming into Southeast Asia. It just reminds me of being on holidays in Southeast Asia when I come in here. So we're just going to walk slowly around and just enjoy the plants and of course the butterflies. There's also little birds and little chickens and tortoises fish and an ant farm. So we'll go and have a look at all of those things as we're walking around. Hibiscus, one of my favourite plants, and very reminiscent of Australia. We'll just go up the stairs here and have a look out across the greenhouse. It's very hot up here. You can't really see the paths. The plants have actually grown quite a lot since the last time I was here. And then here is the ant farm, and just a butterfly sitting here on the edge of the water. Over here we have some fish tanks, and there's actually a warning not to stick your fingers in these fish tanks because the fish are actually carnivorous and will eat your fingers. So kids are always really fascinated by that. And here we just have a koi pond with some beautiful koi. And here to the left we have some tortoises. Eating a bit of lettuce. And these beautiful trumpet flowers. And here's an information area about the butterflies, and this is where the butterflies actually hatch from their pupa. And the butterfly house actually invests quite a lot of money in bringing butterflies from all over the globe to the island. So this is really quite a special place that has been built and developed over the years. And here on the right and left is some information about some other insects. just stand here for a minute and just enjoy the surroundings and hopefully see some butterflies flitter past. There's a few more over here. So we'll go back out of the butterfly house now and just walk back out through the gardens and end the tour at the silkworm exhibition. Morning. So just on the other side of the car park to the butterfly enclosure and the butterfly house is the other greenhouse where they actually propagate the plants that are grown inside the main greenhouse, the main display area for the butterfly house. And it's also the place where the rabbits are kept in winter. They winter in this greenhouse. And we can just go over here to the left and see the plants that are being propagated for next year's season. Hi. The butterfly house is open in the summer and closes in the autumn. And this is the exhibition about silkworms and the manufacture of silk. And it's quite an interesting little exhibition and talks about the process and the journey of producing silk. So that was a tour of the butterfly house in Nexø, a town on the island of Bornholm. This is Bronwyn Lund from BronHolm Tours, signing off. Please remember to subscribe, share, comment and like the video. That would help a lot. Bye for now.